When I first heard about NFTs and the idea of a marketplace where artists can sell their work, often for 6 figures, it sounds kind of crazy. And I remember thinking, well, anyone can do this. Everyone's going to do this. But then when I started to look into it, I realized that it's quite complicated actually to sell your NFT. There are a lot of different websites and marketplaces you can use, and you need to use Ethereum. And so today I'd like to take you through my process of selling my first ever NFT, and I'm just going to show you exactly how it goes for me and what the costs are and which websites I use. So obviously I'm in no way an expert at this. It's the first time I've done it. But if you would like to come along with me on this journey of evolution in both creativity and business and how those two things kind of merge, that I'm going to give it a try today, even though I fully understand there's a good chance no one will ever want to buy this art that I'm making. The first thing we need is some Ethereum in order to pay for our gas fees, which are like transaction fees, fees for interacting with the Ethereum network. So the place where I buy Ethereum from is Coinbase Pro. They have quite low fees and it's quite simple to use. So there are other videos about how to buy Ethereum. I'm going to assume that you already know how to do that. Once you've got some Ethereum, the next place to go to is metamask.io. Install MetaMask. It is a place where you can store your cryptocurrencies, and so I'd recommend doing your own research about how to keep your account and your seed phrase secure. So then once you've got a wallet, then you can send your Ethereum from the place where you bought it into your wallet. And now that it's on here, I can go to any of the marketplaces in order to sell my art. I'm deciding to use, for my first one, OpenSea.io. Very easy to create an account on there, just like any other website, and then you'll get the chance to link your OpenSea account to the MetaMask wallet, and that is what allows you to verify your account, authenticate it, and then also pay for those gas fees. And in order to create something, it's quite simple. I go create, submit NFTs. I'm going to start a new collection. You can add a little photo for the icon. I'm going to use a little still there. I'm going to call this collection Simon Cade Collection. Create. Then I can add an item. I'm going to select my video like so. And I can see there it's working nicely. I've just Googled video to GIF converter, and so I'm now going to take my file, upload it to this. So I can save this image. So now my preview image, this GIF that I've created. Perfect. For properties, we can put anything here. I'm going to start with resolution, edition 1. Then I'm going to add some unlockable content. Now this is a key thing. Pinata.cloud. This is essentially like Dropbox for nerds, and so once I sign up for an account, then I can go and upload a pinata, and all this is going to do is, by uploading the file, preserving the file name, and once it's done uploading, I'll be able to generate a URL, so someone buying the NFT would be able to download my video file. And so I can click on the hash, I can then right click, copy link address. I'll paste this URL into the unlockable content. Now this URL, even if OpenSea gets shut down, that URL will still work. I believe that's how Pinata works. And that's it. Now I can hit create. I've now got an NFT called Inhale Exhale. So now we have this collection with the piece of art inside it. You can see there's some unlockable content that you only reveal when you own it. Right now I'm the one who owns it. I'm then going to add a 10% commission fee. So if future owners of this NFT decide to resell it, I would get 10% of those future sales. Submit the changes. Sell. Highest bid. Minimum bid. 0.8 Ethereum. 3 days. Okay. Now you can see that on any sale, OpenSea gets a 2.5% commission, and for resales, I would get 10%. Post my listing. Whoa, the gas fee is $120. So in order to open an account, I have to pay $120 in gas fees. But once our account is initialized, we can then create as many pieces of art as we want without paying for that gas fee a second time. This is a one-off fee. So depending on what time you open your account and how busy the network is, this will cost a different amount of money. Okay. So my account is initializing. This is another small fee that has to be done just once, $13. So let's confirm that one. Okay. I can say post my listing. Now I accept a signature to verify that it's me. So there we go. It is online 36 seconds ago. It's been listed for 0.8 Ethereum with a reserve price of 1. So my NFT is for sale. If you'd like to take a closer look at it and see any of the details, then you can click a link in the description. But it feels good to have something out there to be part of this NFT movement. Selling NFTs feels quite risky and a little bit scary, to be honest. But a lot of the best opportunities in my career so far have come from doing things for free or working on projects that actually cost me money rather than earning money. I, for one, am excited about the idea that the value that artists are creating in the world can be captured and passed on to the artist rather than always going through a record label or a gallery who takes a huge commission. You know, it's pretty exciting to me to think that just 2.5% of that purchase is taken by the platform, and the rest of that money goes straight to the artist, including a 10% commission for any resale. But hopefully this has shown that it's not too difficult to sell your own NFTs. And yeah, I wish you the best of luck with your own creative endeavors.